This is new.
I'm just getting started. You're not the only one who can send messages. This is for your wife, so she can see what she's really married to.
I'm not married.
Denying she exists, she'll love that. You've got a mark on your finger where your wedding ring was. And I've checked you out just to be sure. I know her name and her number, and I know you've got a daughter. Proper family man, aren't you?
Get these off now.
Why? You scared? It's not much fun, is it?
I mean it, Tracy. Stop now or you'll be sorry, OK?
Smile. At the camera. I want your wife to get a good look at the man who tried to blackmail me into bed.
Give me the key, you bitch!
Tracy, it's me.
Get out of here.
I'm trying. I can't undo it. I need the key.
Well, maybe you could help him with that. You seem to be the expert.
I'm not. This isn't what it looks like. I would never cheat on you, ever.
Well, you lied to me. You came here to meet him, and now he's handcuffed to a bed. What am I supposed to think?
She's a tart. She always has been.
Where's the key?
It's in my bag.
She was all over me a minute ago.
I was never gonna sleep with him. It makes my skin crawl.
You need to know what she's really like. But I can show you. I've got a film of the two of us.
You're sick, you know that. Get out.
I can see.
Now! Now!